In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to tape paint using a masking tape. Normally, we use acrylic paint as our main medium, but this time, we will be using oil pastel. We need A3 white paper, oil pastels, colored pencils, a pair of scissors, and a masking tape. I'm going to start creating my design using a masking tape to guide my pattern into perfectly straight lines. It is pretty simple to make and doesn't require a high amount of skill or experience. So if you notice, I am using an ordinary white paper for practice. Once you get used to it, you can start using a canvas, which is recommended because it doesn't peel up when taking off the masking tape. Now I'm going to start to color the areas separated by the tape until everything is covered. I'm not creating a pattern here, okay? Basically, this is just an abstract design, and just to remind you the lesson we had last time, abstract means an art that doesn't depict anything from the real world, such as figures, landscapes, or animals. As you can see, using an ordinary paper won't give you a good result because it bleeds. What I'm gonna do is to cover those areas that was peeled off from bleeding under masking tape. So now I'm using a black colored pencil to cover those areas. Alright, now it's time for you guys to create your own oil pastel tape art.